Okay, so in this video, I'm just quickly going to explain to you about a website called Boomscore, and it's boomscore.com.au. And it's, I just need, it'll speak for itself. It's just got so much information in it. Right now, I'm on their Learn page, which is their blog. And I love the way that you can come here and it says, do you find property research daunting and confusing? You're in luck. And so they give you this free download here. Obviously, if you give them your details, they're going to send you more information. But really, there's so much free information on here. It's great. You can see that I've logged in, and then what happens is you have access to this information. They do keep your searches here. So they've got property market research tools. These are the categories that they've got in their blog, and plethora of information. Another great set of information from them is if you come to their tools, they've got a hotspot finder, that's Suburb profiler, and a market monitor. So you can subscribe to have certain suburbs monitored, and they'll email you with insights and market reports for that particular suburb. If I go to Suburb Profiler now and click on it, then I can actually, you can come here and read this for yourself. You can come here and educate yourself from this website, but it's just got so much information in here that's free. And so I encourage you to come here and have a look. It's a real little secret that not a lot of people know about. You can put the information in here. Say I wanted to find out about Bowen Hills, which is a suburb in Brisbane. And let's look for units in Bowen Hills if you were looking to invest. And it's saying here it's got a boom score. Units in Bowen Hills have a boom score of 56. So, okay, let's try houses in Bowen Hills. And what they mean by a boom score, it measures the ratio of demand to supply. So we can scroll down and it's showing this information of Bowen Hills, which is fabulous. This is one of those little secrets that you just need to be a buyer's agent to know about. Or maybe there are some switched on property researchers out there who've already come across this. Kudos to you. But look at this. It's got so much information in one place for free. Days on market, auction clearance rates, stock on market, and still going on. Online interest. This is telling you how many people are actively searching online for properties in Bowen Hills and the proportion of renters. So you can see that in Bowen Hills, it's full of a lot of investment properties and so a lot of rentals. So we go at the top and that's the Bowen Hills. I did a report for units then. My computer's being very slow, but if I was to change it to be houses, yeah, sorry about that. You get it. Boom score. Have a look at it right now. It's free and it's amazing.